The biggest edge in crypto isn't speed, it's information asymmetry. But I've found a project that flips the script. It uses zero-knowledge math to hide your information while giving you a transparent, fair shot at a $5 million prize. Let's start with why a lot of smart investors are paying attention right now. ZKP is running a $5 million US dollar giveaway. And this isn't spread thin. There are 10 winners, and each one takes home $500,000. Now, here's the key idea to understand. This is what people mean by asymmetrical upside. The cost to participation is relatively low, but the potential reward is very high. When you look at this from a probability and expected value perspective, the upside compared to the entry cost is unusually strong, and that's why this is interesting. Now, let's talk about what ZKP actually is, because this isn't just about a giveaway. ZKP is a Layer 1 blockchain built around one core idea. Privacy is intelligence, and in traditional crypto, everything is public. Balances, transactions, wallets. But smart money doesn't like broadcasting its moves. ZKP uses zero-knowledge proof, which means you can verify transactions without revealing sensitive information. Think of it like this. You get the security and transparency of a public blockchain, but the privacy of a Swiss bank account. That's why this is positioned as an institutional-grade system. It's designed for people who move capital intelligently, not clumsily. One of the biggest fears investors have is becoming, exit liquidity. In most crypto launches, early insiders and VCs get tokens cheaply, and retail, arrives later, left holding the bag. ZKP removes that anxiety completely. There is no VC allocation and no pre-mined supply. Everyone enters on the same terms. Instead of insiders setting the price, ZKP uses a daily auction system. That means the market decides the price every single day, based purely on supply and demand. No manipulation, no preferential treatment, just real market psychology planned out in real time. Now, let's talk about the game theory behind it. The token. ZKP has deflationary mechanics built directly into the protocol. Any tokens that don't sell in the daily auction are burned permanently. That means supply is constant. It's constantly shrinking. This happens across 17 different phases. And with every phase, tokens become more scarce. Scarcity changes behavior. As supply goes down, the mindset shifts, especially once more people start paying attention and understanding these mechanics early. It's how people position themselves before broader awareness kicks in. So when you put it all together, privacy, first infrastructure, a fair launch, deflationary mechanics, and a massive incentive program, you can see why ZKP is being watched closely. This is proven tech. Over $100 million was invested into the infrastructure before launch, which dramatically reduces the technical risk you usually see with brand new chains. On top of that, strategic partnerships with major brands like the Miami Dolphins help validate the long-term vision and credibility behind the project. Train your mind to spot value before the herd does. Click the link, join the daily auction at zkp.com and position yourself for the $5 million giveaway.